Stiamo andando alla mia auto. Cioè, impressionante.
No, guarda, è tutta bombata. No.
Bad weather has hit the province of Turin, causing pressure on the pipes of a house located on the second floor of a building in the city center. Hail also came out of the toilet in the house. It happened in Pinerolo, in the province of Turin. Hail has started to fall in an area near Pinerolo. The bad weather, predicted in recent days by Arpa, which also issued a yellow warning, has covered the streets in white. A street in Osasco, Bertoreggio, San Secondo in Pinerolo, and Pinerolo itself were also affected, as well as Bagnolo Piemonte, further south. It seems that heavy snowfall has hit all the towns. A video that went viral shows a somewhat surreal scene. During the bad weather on Thursday, May 22, hail went up the pipes and came out of the toilet of a house located on the second floor of a building in the city center. A video posted on Facebook by Andrea Volo, a meteorologist and expert in the field, documents the impact of a powerful hailstorm that disrupted the sewage system, causing flooding and unusual situations as captured in the video. According to the story, water and ice invaded the bathroom, rising through the fixtures due to the blockage of the city's drainage system.
No, guarda, è tutta bombata.